Hello and welcome, Barry from QuickSilver Sound Architects here, and stealing the shot behind me, the wonderful, amazing, magnificent Goodwood Motor Circuit. And what a better place to take this fantastic 2024 Range Rover SV. These are very rare vehicles indeed, very, very fast, the highest performance variant you can buy from Range Rover. This has been completely blacked out and has every accessory a man could possibly want, aesthetically and visually. However, if you are wanting the ultimate accessory, the audio accessory that QuickSilver can bring your SV, then this is where you come. This has been fitted with our Mandrel bent stainless steel sound architect system. It sounds pretty amazing considering the stock systems don't sound pretty amazing. It has also these delightful, these are a new addition to the QuickSilver range of exhausts, these brilliant, huge, ovalized carbon tips which have the QS branding on the top. So you really give yourself a unique look and adds to the already very aggressive stance of these Range Rovers. But anyway, enough of me rambling on. Let's hear what this sounds like. Well, there you go. It adds a more robust note and also gives you more pops and crackles at the high revs. We're going to take this down the road now, put the GoPros on it and see what it sounds like while we're going down some lovely, lovely green lanes in wonderful sunny Sussex. It never rains here, believe it or not. What did you think of that? The brand new QuickSilver sound architect system for the stunning Range Rover SV. We have these in stock ready to go, so let us know. We also have more footage of this vehicle or different vehicles of the same model on our YouTube channel, so check that out if you want to see more. Subscribe because we're always uploading content. Get involved and follow us. We are the name for Range Rovers, generally British marques, hypercars, supercars, anything luxury SUV. We usually do it. If we don't and we're interested in it, we might want to develop it, so also let us know. Go to quicksilverresource.com, find your system there, and I hope to see you all on the next video really soon.